Assalamu alaikum. House Decor presents its specialized product, the Smart Bag. Tell me, anyone of you know about Smart Bag? If not, now our video will show what Smart Bag really is. It has many salient features in Smart Bed. If you can have the look of the Smart Bed, you will get to know it's very spacious and it's very comfortable. Over here, we are showing you this massager. It has basically 9 points in the massager. You have a head massage, shoulder massage, uh, foot massage, and the backbone massage. Now, my friend will show you the sound system as well as the power point on which you can charge your cell phones as well as any product you want. And this is the pop-up desk which he is showing you right now, and it's very easy to use the smart pop-up desk, and it can be used while you're sitting on the mattress. Umar, can you guide us what you're showing right now? This is the storage space, a very good storage space. Oh, wow. So guys, you can see there is a storage space inside beneath the bench as well. It has two storage space. One is the smaller one and the other is the bigger one. You can see how huge the space is. What else you have in your product, Umer? What about this one? This is all the storage space. Oh wow. And you can sit over here as well, right? Okay, this is the bookshelf area. What else do you have in this bed?
Yeah, the mass storage.
Beneath the bed, you want to say that? Okay. Is it easily pickable? Is it easily pickable?
Yeah.
Was it easy?
Yeah, this is actually you can put storage. You can put
Pillows and any kind of stuff you want to keep it inside. Okay, that's a huge space, mashallah. What else do you have in this product? Okay, you can put comfort over here as well in the headrest, beneath the headrest. Oh wow, that's amazing. Wow, you have two huge spaces beneath the headrest as well. Wow, and what do you have over here? Can you guide me over here? What do you have in this? Amazing space. Can you tell me about your company? How many products you have made, especially these kind of beds?
you can visit us in my factory outlet situated at Jamnagar. Thank you for choosing us. Also
You told me about the locker as well. Where is the locker? Okay, that's it. You don't need to open it. It's okay. Okay, you have a locker space over there as well. That's good. Basically, you can keep a locker here as well. Basically, Umair has designed this whole smart bag, and you can see how much spacious it is and how much storage you can keep it over here.
let me show the massager points over there. These are massager point. You can see this is invisible here. One point is here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. Almost 7 to 9 points over there. I'm not sure.
Can you tell me about that light as well, which you have put it over there? What kind of light is this?
Yeah, this is new function.
You were talking about many of its features as well, about the light. Can you guide me that as well? That's great. What do you want to tell about your audience?
Okay guys, thank you so much for choosing us and keep ordering us. Here is, we have shared our WhatsApp link. You can directly send your queries directly to our WhatsApp. Mehra Suleiman, you can contact us directly regarding sofa sets. We have many variety. Basically, we design sofa according to your space. Zobia Jafri, just send your query at our WhatsApp link or direct inbox us for a query. We will send you the cost and the detail of this bed. Oh, let me play the song. Sorry.
Who is the Allah? Who is Ar-Rahman? Who is Al-Mannan? La ilaha illallah. Muhammadur Rasulullah. Muhammad is the messenger. Allah is our God. La ilaha illallah.
You were talking about the variety as well. You have many types of smart bed, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell your viewers as well? Or can you share them the pictures?
Tahir Imtiaz, send your query to our inbox. We will guide you the rates and its specs. Adil Ali, you can call us directly. Our numbers are in our page. We have mentioned our number and address as well. You can visit us. We situated at Zamzama Lane 5, Karachi. Also, one more thing. Delivery available nationwide. All right, we can deliver all over Pakistan. Rehan Ahmed, you can contact us for the price and specification. अब्दुल हादी शाह, इसकी प्राइस के लिए आप हमसे कांटेक्ट कर लें. हियर इज़ आवर लोगो, ताकि कोई कॉपी ना कर ले, क्योंकि ये बेड्स काफ़ी लोगों ने हमारा कॉपी किया और अपने पेज पर स्टोरी पे लगाया. थैंक यू अलीम. मैं जो लोग अभी दोबारा से आए हैं, मैं उनको दोबारा से एक रिव्यू दे दूं. बेसिकली ये स्मार्ट बेड है. हमने इसको लोकली डिज़ाइन किया है फॉर इंटरनेशनल साइज़ के मुताबिक, और इसको हम लोकली बना रहे हैं अपने फैक्ट्री आउटलेट पे. आप विज़िट करके देख सकते हैं. और ये सारे कलर्स में अवेलेबल है. हम इसको मेड टू ऑर्डर करते हैं. ये रेक्सी में भी बन सकता है, फैब्रिक में भी बन सकता है. इसकी सबसे ज़्यादा ख़ासियत ये है कि ये इसकी चारों तरफ आप इसका स्टोरेज बहुत ज़्यादा है. इसका जो बेड है उसके नीचे भी, मैट्रेस के नीचे भी स्पेस है. मैं दोबारा से दिखा देता हूँ. अभी मैंने दिखाया है, आप जिससे ये देख सकते हैं इसको. ये देखें, ये बेल्ट के ज़रिए ये हमारी स्पेशलिटी है. ये हमने इसको लोकली डिज़ाइन किया है. इसका जो मैकेनिज़्म है ये लगाया है हमने, और बाकी इसको सब खुद बनाया है. कुछ भी हमने इसको इंपोर्ट नहीं किया. सैयद फराज अली शाह, हमारा शोरूम जमजमा लेन 5 पे है, कराची. आप विज़िट कर सकते हैं, और एड्रेस के लिए आप हमारे पेज पर कांटेक्ट कर लें। थैंक यू। अच्छा, तो इसके अंदर बुक शेल्फ है। ये मैट्रेस 8 इंच पे है। बेसिकली इसका जो स्पेस है वो 6 इंच मैट्रेस के हिसाब से बना है। तो ये आप देखें, बुक शेल्फ आपका पूरा आपको स्पेस मिलेगा। ये क्योंकि ये मैट्रेस 8 इंच पे रखा हुआ है, तो इस वजह से ये आपको लग रहा है कि ये लेवल नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन ये लेवल हो जाएगा जब आप इसको मैट्रेस 6 इंच पे रखेंगे। बाकी ये मसाजर है, आप देख रहे हैं इसके अंदर, आई थिंक इसके अंदर 9 पॉइंट्स है। मैं आपको उसकी डिटेल मैसेज कर सकता हूँ अगर आप उसको डिटेल में पूछना चाह रहे हैं तो। ये उसकी स्पेस है। मोहम्मद सिद्दीक कादरी साहब, इसके प्राइस एंड कलर्स आप हमें मैसेज में पूछ सकते हैं। कलर्स के बारे में हम बता दें कि कलर्स आपको जो भी चाहिए मिल जाएगा। हम लोग इसको मेड टू ऑर्डर करते हैं। 40 डेज़ में आपको डिलीवरी इंशाल्लाह मिल जाएगी। सैयद शराज अली शाह, ओके, हम आपको मैसेज कर देते हैं इसके रेट्स और इसके स्पेक्स। ओके गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग अस, टेक केयर।